2024, Best Buddies Philippines held its biggest event yet at Robinson's Magnolia with Slide Together, Embrace Inclusion. A product launched for its limited edition pair of slides which are sold by Banana Peel. This event was also publicized on Net25, 1PH, and when in Manila. There was a photo booth, and as well a freedom wall where you can write down your steps to further inclusion. There's a glow machine where you can win a pair of slides, Best Buddies Philippines merchandise, and even Robinson's Movie World movie coins. Did it win? There's a booth as well for buying Best Buddies Philippines merch.
Okay, there.
There are also food stalls including chat time, potato corner, nacho
PDP
king,
fits into that vision by providing activities and workshops geared towards employment.
and Avenida event for Belato Artisanal Ice Cream. Art and craft activities included making friendship bracelets and drawing your own slide design, which doubles as a slide design contest with a theme of ocean conservation. As it turns out, the Best Buddies Philippines and Banana Peel slides were in fact the end result of a slide design competition by the Best Buddies Philippines British School Manila chapter.
Wow.
It's really a jam-packed event. So jam-packed that there were also celebrities who went to the event. Including Heart Evangelista and Nobel Peace Prize laureate Maria Ressa. The main event began at 3:10 p.m. and was hosted by Bea Pinlac and Best Buddies Global Ambassador Tia Lasman. Gabby Chu, the incoming Vice President for Best Buddies Philippines British School Manila chapter, led the invocation after the singing of the Philippine National Anthem. This was followed by the opening remarks by Jess Bulueta, the Senior Marketing Director of Robinson's Mall.
Hi. Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon. How are you doing?
Fine.
So, good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to our beautiful Robinson's Magnolia.
Afterwards, Julia Ann, the outgoing president of Best Buddies Philippines British School Manila, delivered an inclusive message.
We are excited to have the Wellness event made possible through our collaboration with Banana Peel Philippines and Best Buddies Philippines.
This was followed by the shows Best Buddies Philippines and the Oilers CSA, And the trailer of the Best Buddies Philippines X Banana Peel Limited Edition Slide. Now, we can call it the Best Buddies event without a sharing from some of the Best Buddies ambassadors. Starting with Naiti Ignacio, a woman with Down syndrome who was the first ever winner of Miss Possibilities back in 2015. Carlos Kanahashi, an Oventus alumni of De La Salle College of St. Benilde, then delivered his speech afterwards.
I am Carlos Miguel Kanahashi, deeply honored to serve as an ambassador of Best Buddies Philippines since September 2021. My journey as an advocate for persons with disabilities has been a humbling experience and deeply rewarding, propelling me to champion friendship and leadership across the Philippines.
V. Tinam, the incoming president of Best Buddies Philippines British School Manila, shared the story behind the collaboration
Together with the Philippines organization, a creative vessel that promotes inclusivity within our region.
and was followed by the Memorandum of Agreement signing between Paul Vincent Nam and Ferdinand Galmero of Banana Peel and Michelle Aventajado and Gigi Daza of Best Buddies Philippines. Naveen Gatalian, the designer of the limited edition slide, had a birthday blast first and then share the story of how he came up with the winning design.
Would be a better and happier place if everyone was included. Thank you, Best Buddies and Banana Peel, for this opportunity. Lastly, thank you God, this will be very memorable for me.
Then, Nelly June Papuan, the marketing officer of Banana Peel, invited the audience to purchase the limited edition slides at any Banana Peel branch nationwide.
And championing painful causes.
The main event concluded with the giving of certificates to the speakers,
There you go. All very, very important people who have helped put this event together. Of course, this would not be possible without Best Buddies BSM.
a very touching closing remarks by Michelle Aventajado,
This is so amazing. But it's all been done by the students of the Best Buddies BSM. So let's give them a round of applause. There's nothing better than having the youth lead a movement.
the pledge to end the R-Wood, which was led by Tia Lagnay,
I promise to treat everyone with kindness and dignity. I pledge to use words that include and respect everyone, avoiding hurtful language like the R-word.
I pledge to use words that include and respect everyone, avoiding hurtful language like the R-word.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Thank you for making it best to let the R-word be God. Remember, every big moment is recorded with a ship in the night.
and the Best Buddies cheer, which was led by Carlos Kanahashi.
Cheer all together. 1, 2, 3, go. Best, best buddies, best, best, best buddies, best, best buddies, best, best, best buddies. B-U-D-D-I-E-S, B-U-D-D-I-E-S, best.
And this has been Venture's Body Presents, giving you updates on everything about promoting acceptance and inclusion for persons with disabilities. These slides that promote inclusion for persons with disabilities reminded me of Isaiah 52 verse 7a, which says, "How beautiful upon the mountains are the feet of him who brings good news." See you next time.